you know, by the response from the videos, I see that you guys really do enjoy the house tours. So I just thought, why not do another house tour? So, you know, I'm going to switch it up a little bit in this vlog. So we're going to get something to eat first from somewhere. I don't know where. But we're going to go get something to eat. And then after we go get something to eat, we're going to go take a look at another home. Now, I'm not going to lie. Some of the houses aren't going to be huge. Some houses just may be, you know, houses that are just outside of our means right now, but that doesn't mean they're not just as nice. I'm trying to find a way to go look at some like mansions, and you know, I'm in a state where there's a lot of old homes. I'm in South Carolina, if a lot of you didn't know. So we have a lot of older homes. We have a lot of plantations. We have a lot of homes with history. So I'm not trying to really keep these house tours too basic. I'm going to switch it up every once in a while because, you know, every viewer doesn't have the same type. So continue to show me some love. Give me thumbs up. Everything like that. And again, thank you so much for subscribing. Alright, so as I was saying, we're at Buffalo Wild Wings and we're ordering our food.
Hit this shit one more time.
Waiting on our food to come. They totally remodeled this Buffalo Wild Wings. I didn't even know that until like some time ago, last week. Yeah, it's pretty nice in here. It's really, really different. So yeah, when our food comes, that's when I'll get back on the vloggy vlog. What did you order?
Mozzarella sticks and a burger.
Alright, you guys, so we're headed to the property. We're about 25 minutes away. We just left Buffalo Wild Wings. We're stuffed, but we're ready to see the home. I did show Kendrick the picture of the house. How do you feel about it so far?
You think it's gonna be awesome?
Come on now, we need the real.
I really don't know what it is, babe. I don't remember you showing me the picture.
I showed him the picture, y'all. What are you doing? This is a freaking house vlog. Alright, so we've made it to the home. Let's go inside. This is the front door. Alright, so. Alright, this is the first floor. Can you turn the light on? This is the garage. Oh, there's some more rooms down there. I didn't know there was rooms down there. This is a little backyard, not too much of a backyard. Now we're heading into another one of the rooms here with a nice French doors. Looks like a movie theater room. Yeah, because it's very Like the soundproof. There's a downstairs bathroom. This house is beautiful. Look at the floors. Beautiful. Now we're gonna go head upstairs. Has a nice loft area. What is this, the master bedroom? It's a nice master bedroom. Let me go all the way back. This is a beautiful walk-in closet. The master bathroom. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Really nice tub. Alright, so we're gonna see how big this tub is. Say hi, y'all.
Hi.
Alright, so we're gonna go in this hall. Turn this way. We have a washroom.
This is like a mini kitchen.
And we have a nice pantry. Sorry, guys. A nice pantry closet. This way we have another full-size bathroom. Another pantry. A bedroom. This bed, oh wow, everyone has, you have your things down there. Everyone has a nice size closet, it seems to be. Okay. Hallway light. Another good sized bedroom with another good sized closet. Everyone has a walk-in closet. You can gain from this house. There's a lot of room to grow in this house. I don't even know where to start. Like, this house is freaking dope. So we're leaving. We're leaving. Kind of sad, but that's what we're working for. We're working for this. We're working for a whole life. So we are at the next property, and just like the other property, it does have, I think this is the same exact thing. Yeah. This is almost the same. Wait, KL, this is almost the same exact model. But this one has carpet, and this one has a different kitchen outlook. Now, one benefit that this house has that Kendrick mentioned in the last home is this one actually has a backyard patio. Let me open this up. Ariana, look. Look.
Huh?
Now, this will be great for entertaining guests. Has a 2-layer dock there. And when you step up here, you can actually see like a nice little stream. Nice little lizard.
Wait, can you see? Cool.
Kendrick, this one has a backyard. You hear me? This one has a backyard. Come on, Ear. Ooh, yes, look at the floors. There's a light with a dimmer. Alright, so here's the bathroom. Oh wow. Yeah, this is definitely different. So definitely a different model. I'll just dim it. Hey cutie. So there is the shower, toilet, sit down area. And you also have this towel closet. So we're gonna step back out into the hallway. There's another closet, washroom on the same side as the last home. Here is the other bathroom. All right. Say hey, y'all. There's another room with a closet, and it is a pretty spacious room. There's a ceiling fan. Here is another restroom. And is another closet. Guys, so we are leaving this home, but I want you guys to let us know how you are enjoying these house tours. Let us know what we can improve on, things of that nature. You know, just give us some feedback because, you know, we're new to this whole thing, so give us some feedback, and it's definitely been a pleasure touring these houses and homes with you all. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. Say bye.